The British Stainless Steel Association has co-organised a day-long programme on fabricating in stainless steels for nuclear new builds. Why was this necessary?
Well, it's some time since the UK has really been building any new power stations. I mean, I think Sizewell B was the last one, and that's 25 years ago. So it was time, we thought, to gather together our industry and present to them what's going on with Hinkley Point C and to talk about fabricating for the nuclear sector.
And why have you elected to hold this day in Bridgewater, which with all respect is a long way from the traditional metals working centres in the UK?
That's a good question. I mean, one of the reasons we're here is because Bridgewater College is going to be a very important part of EDF's plans to build Hinkley Point C from a training point of view. And we thought the environment that they provide brings the industry and the new nuclear demand closer.
And what can you tell me about the range of topics and the speakers here?
Well, what we decided to do was to make it quite a general programme to draw in as many from our industry as possible. So the programmes started with a general introduction to stainless steels, how to fabricate with them, starting to focus on the nuclear sector, but not exclusively. And then in the afternoon, we looked at the development of Hinkley Point C and what those implications meant for stainless steel, both from a supply point of view and a supply chain point of view.
And who was listening then? Who was in the audience?
Well, at our fabrication seminars, our experience is we always get a wide mix of people. So clearly we get fabricators, of course, but also we get people from along the supply chain, from the producing mills, from the processors. And I think there's something for everybody to learn.
And finally, can you sum up what were some of the key messages to come out of this day?
Well, I think the important thing is people have got to plan ahead. Although the nuclear programme has been slow to develop and we're still waiting for the final go, people who want to supply seriously into this sector have got to prepare well in advance. So they've got to have the proper systems in place, understand the QA compliance issues, and make themselves known to the first-tier suppliers in the nuclear programme.